Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. You guys, this is the Ameda MYA Pro hospital strength electric breast pump. You guys, this is going to be such a great product for you or for anyone that you know that is expecting. This breast pump is ultra quiet. It's super comfortable. It is hospital strength, so that means you're going to get even better performance, more breast milk in less amount of time, which is exactly what you want. It is a truly closed system, so that way you're not going to have any contamination, and you're also not going to have to worry about breast milk going back into the lines and back into the pump. This is just really, really high quality. And it has a ton of different settings for a really personalized custom experience for each individual mother. You're going to get the best performance whenever you are able to have the most settings and make sure that you are able to really adapt the pump to your particular needs on that particular day. And this pump absolutely does that. There's 5 different massage modes, 12 different levels of suction, and you can just choose the one that is best for you. It also has an LCD backlit screen and a night light for if you are pumping at night, which is so thoughtful and so wonderful. It's just a great little touch that you're going to get a lot of use out of. Plus, another really cool thing that sets this one apart is that the storage bottles are freezer safe. So if you are freezing your breast milk, you really want to make sure that whatever containers you're putting it in aren't going to break down or degrade in the freezer or shatter and leave a big mess for you. These are freezer safe, so it's just one more thing that if that is you, then this is the breast pumping set for you. Definitely go ahead and pick this one up, put it on your registry. You're gonna be really happy you did.